Francisco or Noel, can I see your new key?
Oh.
Very cool.
Oh, this one.
And did you...
Hey, Oliver.
Francisco, was that really nice of the man at the key store to not charge us for the key?
Yes, Mommy.
What's wrong, baby?
I want a key just like Noe and the rest of us.
Oh, alright. Well, Oliver does not have a key yet. Maybe you and Noel can share that key sometimes. You can also try opening the door at home. And then maybe when we see that you're really able to open the door with the key, then you would be able to have your own key. Okay, Francisco? Okay.
How is that feeling on your leg? How's that feeling? Droop, fishing hook. It's gonna pick Oliver up like a fish. I kidnap him and put him in a fish bowl. We'll live for quite a few years actually. You, Mommy, fish him out from the sea and call him your baby. And in 3 seconds flat grows into a baby.
Oh, wow. That would be pretty magical.
I know. I know. Imagine if you could get shape-shifting shape-shifting pebbles at stores.
That would be cool.
And then everything it makes on would be quite as lifelike as the real thing, if it was a real thing. Cause you can also sneak in some ununiversal opportunities.
Like what?
Imagination.
Oliver the Big. Oh, look, how do you think Oliver feels? Oh,
Sleepy baby. Hey, Mommy.
Yes, love?
Oh, yep, he's sleepy.
Yeah, I think so.
Look there. Oh, that baby car. I just saw a baby car in there.
Oh, fun.
I know. Man, if only there were big kids. Sorry. Like, kind of like the little baby cars, but a bit for big kids too. We'd be going way by now if we had that technology in hand.
Okay, that's fine.